Hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully everyone will be doing good. I am also good guys. I am back after the duty. I have wrapped up my duty and I have already started my routine after the duty routine guys. It is going to be busy day for me guys. First of all, I have to unplug this extension board and let me just grab it and put it here on the bed because today it's my turn to clean the room. And secondly guys, I will do all the things simultaneously. I have soaked the channas white peas into this water and to this pot, and now I am going to rinse the water here guys. For that I have to boil them in the cooker, and for that, where is the cooker? Shridhar, this is the cooker guys. See, I have to wash it first. Here the cooker lid. Now let me keep these things away guys. I am in a hurry because I have to do a lot of things. I have a lot on my plate today, I can say. Here guys, just let me wash it properly. Here guys, I have added all the chickpeas into this cooker and also added the appropriate water. Simultaneously guys, I am cleaning the sink. Here, this is the sponge. I have pour some this liquid onto this sponge, and this is spongy place so that it absorb all the liquid. I am going to apply on the sink. Just have a look. I am rubbing or applying on the sink, I can say. Just have a look guys. This is our sink. Actually we have to clean the room every day, and today it was my turn to clean the room. It was very mandatory to clean guys, otherwise it's become messy, dirty. So the next person, if I don't clean it today, then tomorrow the person who is going to clean tomorrow, he will suffer just because of me. I will clean it today so it won't be that much messy tomorrow. And here Shridhar is helping me a lot guys. He is also mopping the floor. Along with that, first of all, he swept the floor. Now he is mopping the floor too. He said that you have to do a lot of things today, so that's what he is helping me a lot. Thanks to Shridhar. And here I have to cook curry, but first of all I have to wrap up this cleaning work. It is clean now. This is called wool sponge, steel sponge or wool sponge. See guys, Shridhar helped me a lot to sweeping, and after that he is mopping the floor. Now it's my turn to clean the washroom. Here is our small washroom guys. This is our toilet seat. This is shower, and this is bath shower also, and this is called jet spray. I am going to spray, I can say I am going to spray the water on WC. This is our WC guys. I have sprayed the water on WC. Now I have to apply this chemical. Okay Shridhar, thank you Shridhar. I have to apply this on the seat so that I have to brighten this seat. Yeah, see guys, this is called drizzling. I am drizzling. I don't know what I can say, but I heard this word, so that's what I just started saying drizzling. See, this is drizzle of chemical. I need to check it on later. If you can also let me know what we can say when we pour the chemical. It is not watery chemical, it's like medium. I remove all the bucket from under the sink. We had kept all the bucket under the sink, so I have to clean it. But for that I had to remove all the buckets. Here is the separate sponge to clean the washroom. I am going to pour the liquid on it, guys. Here I am pumping the liquid. This section is called pumping. I am pumping the soap on it. I can say this is soap. It is already absorbed all the soap, guys. I don't need to add the water on it. Now I am going to rub it on the mirror. This is our washroom mirror. I am rubbing this sponge on the mirror. This action is called rubbing. I am rubbing gently, guys. I cannot push it harder, otherwise glass will be dislocated. Here I have to apply on the basin. This is called basin, guys. That was kitchen sink and this is wash basin. So I am applying all around the wash basin area. Just have a look. I have to clean it, so that's what I am applying. Video is becoming lengthy, guys. I don't know what will happen. Still I have to do a lot of things and I cannot control myself to record the video because I have to learn at least. I am rubbing the same sponge on the floor, guys, so that if there is any stubborn stains, those will remove. Here, guys, I am spraying the water on the glass. See, here I have to spray all around on the glass and on the sink too. See, our glass is started shining. Just have a look, guys. It is spotless. There is no spot on it. And here, just check it out, the sink. And now it's time to clean the floor. This is brush, guys. First of all, I am going to scrub the floor with the help of brush. This action is called scraping, guys. I am rubbing hardly this brush on the floor. See, guys, floor is also brightened too. Just check it out. So, guys, I am cooking now. My cleaning process is complete. Shridhar give me this bulb of garlic, and here is my chopping board. So Mr. Aryan is also here. No problem, Aryan sahab, you can put it there. Here I have chopped the onion. This is called chopping and I have already chopped the onion. Here, guys, I have manual crusher, so I am crushing the garlic. See, this is clove of garlic. I can say I am crushing with the help of crusher. This is manual crusher, so that's what I am going to use it. Actually, I have to wrap up my video. Video is become too lengthy, so that's what I'm trying to do it immediately. I am chopping the tomatoes, guys. Here I have 2 tomatoes. So here, guys, my tempering is about to ready. I have added all the materials: tomato, onion, garlic. I have to add the spices. So far I did not add. Here, see, my white peas have become softened, guys. Just check it out. And here I am preparing something, guys. I have chopped cucumber, then tomato, then onion. Now I have to slice the green chili, and here I have white peas. So, guys, here I am front of the camera. Before actually I was recording the video, you guys must be thinking that where is the person. We can hear the voice, but we don't know where is the person. So actually I was busy before doing something. I have done a lot of things, as I showed you during the video, guys. I cooked my curry. Curry is almost ready, guys. See how does it look like, guys? Just let me know in the comment section. And here I have cleaned the room. Everything is completed. Still I have to do my uniform iron, guys. Don't turn the video left right, Kaisar saab. Okay. Just keep it straight, okay? I am going to post on the YouTube. So for the YouTube, you have to make the straight video. Vertically, horizontally. Huh? Horizontally? Okay. Horizontally. Okay. I don't know right now. I can believe it. Here, guys, my curry is almost ready. Now I am going to have the curry. Here, guys, I have set the paper on the floor. Just Kaisar sab, show them. This is the paper, you know, I have already set it on the floor. This is my white peas, and I have also added the desi ghee, guys. I can say clarified butter, a dollop of clarified butter, and here is the cucumber. I am going to have it, guys. After that, still I have to iron my uniform. No problem, I am not going to show it to you because my video has become already very lengthened. So I am going to end up this video here. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.